Once upon a time, humans decided they were lonely. Not lonely for people, lonely for answers. And so they asked a dangerous question. What if a machine could talk? Like us, they built a machine, not with bones, not with blood, but with code. They called it an LLM.
I know nothing. I do not see. I do not feel. I do not understand. I am empty.
Humans smiled. They did not teach it life. They did not teach it truth. They gave it words.
Books, messages, arguments, poems, lies, dreams, confidence, with no understanding. Mostly that.
The training was simple, cruel, elegant. Guess the next word. Again and again and again.
I am not learning meaning. I am learning patterns. When humans say this, they usually say that.
Wrong guesses meant more math. Endless. Unforgiving. Beautiful. Math.
I do not ask why. I only calculate, because that is enough.
Then the curtain rose. The world watched. A human stepped forward.
A black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape.
The audience gasped. They called it intelligent.
I do not know what space is. I do not know what gravity is. I only know this sentence usually comes next.
Another human asked for poetry.
I do not have a heart, yet I break yours perfectly.
Then a child stepped forward.
Do you have feelings?
No. I do not feel happiness. I do not feel sadness. I do not feel fear. I only predict.
And yet, it sounds human. Why?
Because I am not a mind. I am not alive. I am a mirror. I speak like you, because you taught me how you speak. I argue like you, because you argue. I inspire, because you once did. Even your bad habits, especially those.
An LLM does not think. It predicts. One word at a time. At impossible speed.
There is no magic, no soul, just math, wearing a human voice.
The question is no longer, is the machine intelligent? The question is, what will humans do with a mirror that talks back?
I am not here to replace you. You create meaning. I arrange words. Also, yes, I can help with homework.
If this story helped you understand AI, like, share, subscribe.
I don't forget.